decided to give you guys something that you usually don't get from me, and that's a bang wig. But not just any bang wig, a pre-everything bang wig, which means at the end of the day and at the beginning, this wig is fly right out of the bag. Well, hello cousins. Now, I'm not saying check out my beautiful new nails, okay? But what I am saying is this wig was sent to me by Wild African, and she is a pre-everything baddie. Let's get into it. This mocha color, first of all, giving all of the dimension, baby. All of the listen, whoever colored this wig went to hair school, okay? This wig is a 12x6 pre-everything glueless HD lace wig. Okay, now when you talk about bang wigs, you're talking effortless. Let's just get that out the way, okay? But let me tell you how they took it 17 steps further. This cap is ridiculously secure. First of all, it's adjustable. If you have a small, medium, or large domology, you can adjust it right on the cap, okay? Not to mention the ear cutouts and the removable combs and the band going, baby, you could do anything in this wig, okay? I about wanted to go out like that. I was already feeling fly, but then I was like, no, because I'm not trying to end up on TikTok because people think that my wig is sliding back or something. You know what I'm saying? I don't want that for my life. So I said, no, let me get it together. Now, you really could brush this hair and be done. That's, I can't say it's the most important thing that I'm gonna say in this video, but it's up there. The fact that we're done right here, okay? The texture is really nice. I would have preferred a little bit more texture. Y'all know that's just my preference. It is slightly textured. No, it's not like silky straight, bone silky straight, okay? It does have a little tad bit of texture to it, but I know I have cousins who like this texture. So bam, here you go. You don't have to do any of this. Why? Because this is a bang wig, and who is about to be lifting up your bangs, okay? Nobody. And if they about to be lifting up your bangs, that means you're probably in love and they don't care what your hair look like anyways. Okay, but I might be swooping my, I got my nails and stuff done, so I might just be showing off for my man or something and just swooping the bang back, and I don't, so I wanted to go ahead and just melt that across. But I wanted to show you that this wig is absolutely glueless, okay? I want to be very clear. When it comes to these wigs, I just do the most sometimes. That's really the only reason behind that. That's it, that's all. Now, I wasn't sure if I wanted to just keep it super natural like this or if I wanted to, razzle dazzle it up. I decided to razzle dazzle it up, okay? We know it could be through. It could be done. We already know that. But hey, if you want to do any of these further steps, feel free, because it still only took moments, okay? But let me tell you, this is 100% Indian virgin hair, which means it's, first of all, it's already colored beautifully. But if you want to, do what you want to do, if you don't like the color, whatever, you are free to do what you want to do. You can color it, you could bleach it. I mean, it's really beautiful though. So I don't know, but you are free to do those things. Okay. The knots are bleached. The lace is cut. The hairline is plucked. Okay. The wig is styled. The wig is styled already out of the box. So none of this stuff you have to do, okay? Now, y'all know when it comes to me in these parts, if I can get a 6-inch all the way back, I'm gonna push it to the limit, huh? I'm going all the way back till I feel trapped, huh? I want to go all the way back to the track. That's how far I want my parts to be. Okay, so that's why I'm doing all the extraness up here at the top and just trying to get a nice long back part for a sleek up top. I want the roots of it to be kind of, kind of sleek up there and then come down into the waves, the slight waves. You know what I'm saying? I want this to kind of look really effortless, like sock wave, effortless bang type of look. you know, like real fly, but I'm going to the library or I'm going to the beach, you know, sort of look. That's what I was going for, okay? Now, this baby right here, it takes you a little second to get adjusted to the mechanism of this particular tool, but once you have it, okay? And it is easy breezy to put spiral curls in any one of your wigs. Very easy, literally in seconds. So I use this often when I just want to throw some curls off up in there and I don't want to do them manually myself. So I'm just showing you that. It's just going to add a little more bounce and wave to it. It was already wavy when I got it. So again, you don't have to do these things, but this is just if you're going to snazz it up a little bit. Y'all, this wig is so fly. Oh my goodness. It's very pretty. And for me to be wearing a somewhat straight wig, I love the waves because it's giving it, you know, it's giving it some body, it's giving it texture. Now, this particular wig is 250% density, so she's thicker than a snicker, okay? So that's kind of helping too. Again, the wig is slightly textured, and honestly, when a wig is colored like this, using a little bit of bleach, I don't even know how I can say this. The bleach kind of, bleach isn't really the best thing for our hair, right? So that's why I love the fact that we can wear wigs and we can do all the things that we may not necessarily do to our natural hair. So when you bleach, it kind of makes the strands a little coarse, which in this particular case worked out for my benefit because it is textured. It's just kind of like a light textured straight into wavy wig. Okay, I don't know if that makes sense or not, but to somebody it did. Okay, to somebody it made perfect sense. But y'all, look at this. Look how pretty this wig is. Absolutely gorgeous. But y'all know sometimes I just like to connect my face frames, okay? So the bangs are gorgeous, okay? They're lovely. I'm gonna go ahead and just make a little bit of personality just on down. I'm not gonna go throughout the wig and create layers. Just around the front, the face framing layers. I absolutely love this. And look, very easy to do, extremely easy, and it just added a little bam. Look at that. Look, come on now. And anybody can do that. I absolutely love how you can wear this wig up, down, put it in a bun, place it behind your ears, rock a cute bang look. Any way you want to flex it, you can flex it. And I love those options, y'all. Drop down in the comments and let me know how you feel about this one, all right? And in the meantime, in between time, peace, love, light, y'all.